It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Caravan. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button. This button here opens the rear doors, door storage with a cup holder and the door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls and dials, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a leather interior. Next I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our audio controls and voice commands, and to the right we have the cruise control buttons. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have the power liftgate buttons, the buttons to open the rear doors. Down below we have our infotainment center. This touch screen is equipped with our radio and media options, and it also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Climate control buttons with air conditioning down below, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, econ mode, hazard lights, and traction control. At the front of the Caravan, we have fog lights, 17-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, heated side mirrors, rear tinted windows. Those side doors are easily opened using the key fob, remote start, and as we make our way to the back, we have the rear window wiper and a power lift gate. Again, I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop that lift gate open. And in the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, along with cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and the tethers to fold the third row seats down. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger van. In the second row, we have 2 bucket seats. On the backs of both front seats, we've got mesh seat pockets along with dual DVD players. To the left here, we have the power rear sliding door button. Overhead, we have the rear climate control buttons with storage compartments and interior lights. To gain access to the third row, lift this lever up on the side of the seat. In the rear, we have 3 additional seats with storage and cup holders on both sides. So come take a look at the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.